grade 3, when we start investigating plants, one of the starting points we often begin with is comparing what the children know about plants to some other focal point that they may know about, which is animals. And one conception that arises from a lot of groups has been that animals move or show movement and plants often don't. And that allows us to dig a little bit deeper and think about that question, think about the vocabulary, think about what the children are really wondering or what they're meaning to express when they say that plants don't move. We would then possibly go to different sources of information to feed in some of the questions that we have. And that might be through books, through videos, getting people to speak in the classroom. And I think at that point, once we have more information, we definitely want to make sure that the children have some sort of hands-on experience with the phenomena itself. Having plants in the classroom, or even having children observe plants in their neighborhood or at home, have them kind of look at just the positioning of the plants. And I think over time, once we have them set up in the classroom, the children start to quickly notice that the leaves will often turn towards the source of light. And having that experience to turn into day in and day out gives them time to, again, unpack these observations that they're making each day and talk more about the original conception of plants don't move compared to what they're seeing and what they've heard. Also queuing up certain videos that might show time lapses of, roots kind of growing through soil to exemplify a different type of movement that plants might exhibit. A Venus flytrap, will have its own way of moving or showing movement, which again could help deepen our understanding of what the children meant when they said plants don't move. By giving all of these experiences, it helps the children think a little bit more about what that conception means to them and what they mean to express. It often leads us to asking, well, why is this happening? And what need is this fulfilling for the plant? And that, again, just sparks a whole new direction potentially in terms of what we're trying to look at in our understanding of plants, to think about the adaptations that plants may have. And then it often leads us to thinking about animals again and thinking about their adaptations and how plants and animals and living organisms adapt to their environment and what needs these adaptations are servicing.